Hello. Today we are going to talk about vowels in English. And before we talk about specific vowels, I want to talk about the parts of the face that make the vowels. So you're not only using your sound, but you're also using your feeling in your face and maybe even a mirror. So you could use your video to record your face, or you could look in a mirror. Okay, so we're going to talk about three parts. We're going to talk about the lips, the jaw, and the tongue. So let's start with the lips with a warm-up. So you're going to make the sound ooh, ee, ooh, ee, ooh, ee. As you do that, you notice that your lips are changing, right? So how would you describe this shape with the lips? I would say rounded lips. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And as you move, they start to spread. When you make the sound E, 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 your lips are very, very spread and your cheeks are pulling your lips open. So let's try one more time while you think about your lips. Ooh, E, ooh, E, ooh, E. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the tongue with that same pair of sounds. Okay, so notice what your tongue is doing when you say ooh, ooh. My tongue is pushing forward. Ooh, ooh. Then when I make that E sound, my tongue is pulling back. E, E, E. So now let's think about the tongue. Ooh, E, ooh, E, ooh, E. All right, good. Now, our third part to think about is the jaw. The jaw opens and closes. Right? So we're going to think about that as we practice the sound E, ah, E, ah, E, ah. As you make that ah sound, it's like you're at the doctor, right? When he says, open your mouth. So your jaw is open. When you make the E sound, your jaw is very closed. So now we're gonna look at vowels in different groups and think about the lips, the jaw, and the tongue while you make it. We're going to start by talking about the front vowels. The front vowels are E, I, A, E, A. E, I, A, A. Front vowels are produced by moving the tongue toward the front of the mouth. So the tongue will be forward. The lips are more or less spread. So they will maintain a little spread while doing the front vowels. Beginning with the first sound, E, E, the tongue is high in your mouth. The tongue and the jaw will drop as you say them. So here, the tongue is high, right? And then as you go down these vowels, the tongue will drop. See if you can feel it with me. E, I, A, A. Can you feel your tongue dropping as you do it? Let's try again. Start with a high tongue and then feel it dropping. E, I, A, A. E, I, A, A. Here are some practice words for each of these front vowels. So the first one, E, he, feet, meet. The second one, I, hit, if, pick. The third, A, may, Asia, face, pain. Number 4, let, head, well. Number 5, mad, ask, cash. So we're going to look at some new words now, and we're going to figure out which vowel sound they go with. So here is your list of new words. So let's start with these 3. Famous, quick, and repeat. Famous, famous. Is that vowel sound 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? So this is E, I, A, A. Which one sounds like this? Famous, famous. I think you might have gotten it. It's right here, right? A, famous. All right, let's try the next one. Quick, quick. So we're looking at that I sound right here. Does that sound like vowel 1, E, vowel 2, I, vowel 3, A, vowel 4, or vowel 5, A? So you're correct if you said vowel 2. Next one is repeat, repeat. Does that sound like E, I, A, or A? Good. Number 1, right? Okay, let's look at 2 more words for us to try since we got our first 3. We have plastic and spend. Plastic and spend. So we only have 2 vowels left. Which one sounds like plastic and which one sounds like spend? Just to be clear here, we're looking at this sound and we're looking at this sound. Vowel number 4 is eh. Is that plastic or spend? Vowel number 5 is a. Is that plastic or spend? So, vowel number 4, it's going to be spend. And vowel number 5, plastic. How did you do? Now we're going to look at the central vowels. So in the central vowels, you are making the sounds in the middle of the mouth, not in the front and not in the back. So that's why they're called the central vowels. The central vowels are and ah. 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 The tongue and the jaw are higher for the and the Your tongue and jaw are high. Notice right here, they're pretty high up in the mouth. Then, for the ah sound, you make it lower. Your tongue goes down. Ah. Drop the tongue for the last sound. Ah. Ah. Notice the lips are neutral. They're not spread and they're not rounded. They're relaxed. So while you make those sounds, try to relax your lips. Ah. Ah. Let's practice some example words for the central vowels. So our first one, sounds like girl, turn, learn. Our seventh vowel, sounds like cut, up, and funny. And vowel 8, ah, sounds like concert, father, ah. So let's take a look at a new word and decide if it is vowel 6, 7, or 8. Ugly, ugly. What vowel sound is that? Give it a try. So the sound is like vowel 7, cut, up, funny, and ugly. Let's try 2 more together. We're gonna try thirsty. And we're going to try college. Thirsty and college. This sound and this sound. What do you think? Vowel 6 or vowel 8? For vowel 6, we have thirsty. Just like girl, thirsty. And for vowel 8, we have college, college.